Hey there, Frederick here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to link your smartphone with your laptop. Now this is going to prevent you from having to check every notification or pop-ups on your smartphone while you are working so as to boost your productivity. Now everything happening on your phone is going to be showing up right on your laptop. I have 3 ways to show you, and the third way is not just only about linking your phone or casting the screen of your phone to your laptop, but also teaches you how you can avoid or how you can prevent or block unwanted applications from showing or sending unnecessary notifications, while you only allow important applications like emails or WhatsApp messages to only pop up on your laptop while you are working. So without further ado, let's jump right in. If smartphones are regarded as one of the major sources of distraction, then learning how to use your smartphone productively is very important. And on this channel, we teach everything about smartphone productivity and profitability. And if this is the kind of video you want to keep receiving, hit the subscribe button down below. And to get notified when I release a fresh video, hit the bell icon and you will be first to know when I drop a fresh video. My name is Frederick. Keep watching. Alright, so the first method we are going to be using is the your phone application method. All right, so this application is actually preloaded on every Windows 10. All right, I don't know about Windows 8, 9, 7. Okay, so if you do not see it, just go to your Microsoft Store and download your phone. All right, then the next thing, you also go to your Play Store or App Store on your Android or your iPhone to download your phone companion. All right, I'm going to leave the link to the Android. I guess I can get the app store link as well on the description. Okay, I might also leave the link for the Windows, all right, so that you can also get the Windows version of the application. You need to install this application both on your phone, whether Android or iPhone, and also on your Windows laptop or on your laptop. Now I don't actually know if this application is available on MacBooks, all right, or Apple, all right, because this application is owned by Microsoft, so you need to check if it's available on Apple laptops, MacBooks, all right, or any other version of laptop, any other operating system. Okay, but I'm very sure of the Windows, okay, because I'm using Windows 10. Okay, so now let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to go to my Play Store or your iOS, that's your App Store, to download your phone companion. All right, I'd already downloaded it, that's why it's showing this way. I would like to join the beta. All right, so the next thing, I'm going to open it. So when I have opened it, I'm going to do what? Go to my computer right now. Now I'm on my laptop. All right, so I am going to now on my laptop, I'm going to go to the start menu and search for your phone companion. Sorry, your phone. All right, like I said, it's already preloaded on every Windows 10. I don't know about other applications. Sorry, I don't know about on the other lower versions. Okay, I don't know about Windows 9, 8. So if you don't see it when you search for it on your start menu, just go to your App Store. All right, that's the Microsoft Store, and search for your phone. All right, so let's search for it, your phone. You will see it right there, and install it to your PC. Okay, so you can see your phone here. All right, so that's that. So now let's move on. Let's open your phone. All right, so you see this. Now I'm going to tap on link your phone and PC. All right, then the next thing you see is the QR code on ready. So let's go to my PC now. What kind of phone? It's an Android, definitely. So continue, and you see yes, finish installing. Now you see open QR code. That's what I'm going to tap. Open QR code. So the QR code is getting ready while I am also getting my phone ready to scan the QR code. Okay, so this is the QR code. I'm going to scan it right now. Okay, all right, so it's already picked it up. Then I'm going to tap on allow. Just allow everything. Stay connected, continue. All right, so just tap on allow. Okay, so the next thing is finish linking. So I'm going to now go to my PC. Okay, tap done. So I'm going to allow the PC to finish the processing, and okay, you are linked. So I'm going to tap on continue. All right, and done. And now allow. All right, so you can see your phone and PC are linked. Okay, so right now any message that comes into my phone, okay, all right, there's a message there say connect your phone to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to tap here. All right, and then go to sync over mobile data, and then I'm going to tap on. Okay, so it's synced. All right, so that's that. my PC does not have an internal Bluetooth. If not, I could have been able to even make calls with it. Okay, so you can see get started. All right, see if the Bluetooth is not there. So but every other thing now works. Now I can go to my messages. Okay, I can go to my messages and you will see the messages also. So let me tap on refresh so that you can see the messages on my phone. So this like I said, that this first option is limited. Okay, is limited. You can't actually cast the screen of your phone to your phone companion. All right, but you can see the messages on my phone right now. Okay, so if I want to copy photos from my phone, I can just tap the refresh and all the photos on my phone will come over to my laptop, and I'm just going to extract them if I want to. Then over here is the notification. All right, over here is the notification. Now I'm going to try sending a message right now to this phone. All right, I'm going to send a message to my phone so that you get to see what happens when I send a message to myself. All right, you can see this messaging is already 20. Okay, so you can see the message I sent to myself. All right, so from here I can actually I can even reply the message without having to go to my phone. But you can see that the message did not pop up. That's one of the things about this one that I don't like. Okay, but the next option we have is going to be much better. Okay, all right, so that's how you connect it your phone companion. Now let's move on to the second one, which is the cast screen option. All right, haven't gotten that one. The second option is the cast screen option. Now I've checked for this in some laptops and it's not available. Okay, so it depends on your laptop. Okay, but if you have it on this one is actually a function of the laptop. You don't need to install anything at all for this to work. Okay, and also your phone, there are some phones that can actually not be used to mirror screen. So if your phone does not have that screen mirroring option or cast screen feature, I'm using the Redmi. All right, I've also seen it on my iPhone. All right, so if your phone does not have the screen mirroring option or the cast screen feature, all right, then this second option is not for you. But if your phone has it, and then you also have the option of projecting to PC on your laptop, then this second option is for you. All right, so the second option is the one I said is already pre-installed in both either your phone or your laptop. Okay, so when you go to your laptop, go to this button over here, the taskbar, then you tap on connect. Okay, so when you tap on connect, you see projecting to PC. Okay, so I'm going to tap on projecting to PC. All right, then you see launch the connect app to project to this PC. Now you might not see this like this. It might ask you to install it. Okay, because I had already installed it from my phone, from my laptop. All right, so I already installed it, just in case you don't see this tab that says launch the connect app to project to this PC. Okay, so I'm going to tap this right now. So this is my phone. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop down, and then you see cast. All right, the cast button. So I'm going to tap on the cast button. All right, so from there it's actually telling me to turn off the mobile hotspot so that I can enable. All right, so you can see turn on Wi-Fi. So I'm going to turn on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. Okay, so you can see more view console. So this is actually my computer right now. Okay, so I'm going to tap on more view console. Okay, so all right, so this is how it looks right now. All right, so you can see that the phone is properly connected. I can actually use the cursor from here and operate the phone perfectly. Okay, I can use the cursor from here and operate the phone with my laptop. Okay, in fact, you will no longer be able to type anything with your phone. Everything now can be done with your laptop. So with this right now, if you want to project to maybe to a projector, all right, if you want to project to a wall using a projector, all right, all you need to do is to project the screen of the laptop to that projector, and everything you're doing with your phone, you'll now be able to see it on the wall. All right, being cast at the wall. Okay, so that's how you do. That's actually how to get this done, and this is how I get to do my physical trainings, where I get to share my phone screen on the projector. All right, do you know you can shoot, edit and create videos as awesome as what this guy is teaching you? All the videos on this channel were shot, edited and created with a smartphone only. And guess what? this month of June, we are giving our smartphone videography course for only 2,000 naira. I know you won't want to tell you, but I need you to know. Just go right into the description. You see the link to register for this course, because from July it will be right back to 10,000 naira. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss this.
What
and you will have me to thank later.
I am teaching people now. How much you pay to run commercial? How much you pay?
How much you want me to pay for commercial? I don't know if you are they make money for. Sorry about that. So coming back to what we are talking about. And finally, this is the one that, in fact, I made some findings on this software, this application, the third method today. Like, I figured out what I'm going to be teaching you this very day, all right, and which is the screen mirroring option. I didn't actually know that I can use this application or this software to mirror the screen of my phone to my laptop. And the screen mirroring option it actually gave is really awesome. It's better than the rest of the two that I've mentioned. Okay, so this application is called Airdroid, all right. But you need also is an application that is both available on your smartphone, all right, and also on your laptop. So you need to download the application for your Windows and also for your laptop, and also for your smartphone. I'm going to leave their download links on the description. So go to the description and download both Airdroid for your laptop and Airdroid for your smartphone. Okay. Another feature that this offers is that, like I said at the beginning of the video, that this application or this software, you can block out some application from sending you notification while you're at work on your laptop. All right, so maybe I can leave, for me, I'll leave my email, I'll leave my Facebook, because I'm a social media person. So my business is on social media, so I'll need to be getting messages from my Facebook, I'll need to be getting notification from my WhatsApp, I'll need to be getting notification from my email. But other applications that might be distracting while I'm working, I can block them out using Airdroid. So this is actually one of the best. I believe there should be more options out there, but Airdroid happens to be one of the best because of what it offers, the features and the functions that the application offers. So let's jump right into it. Okay, I already installed it on my desktop. I'm going to also leave the link to download it on the description. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open Airdroid on my laptop, okay, and then also open it on my phone. Okay, now you can see you're supposed to sign up. All right, you're supposed to sign up. So I'd already signed up already, that's why it's showing this way. Okay, so I'm just going to, it's already authenticating itself. All right, so the next thing is to wait for it, all right, to authenticate. All right, it's done. Okay, so it's going to open up right now. Okay, so you can see it's open. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to connect it to my smartphone. Okay, next thing is what? Connect it to my smartphone. So I'd already connected it initially, that's why you're seeing the Redmi Note 8 and it's already connecting. Okay, so once you're done with it, there's no much work in connecting your phone to your laptop. All right, so it just is straightforward. They just follow the prompt and then it's connected. Okay, just follow the, okay, it's already connected. I can see connected on my phone. All right, you can see connected here, remote connection mode. All right, so when I move over to the, okay, it's already connected. Okay, so this is the full features of Airdroid. All right, the first is the file transfer. Okay, if I want to transfer anything from my laptop, whether from my laptop to my phone or from my phone to my laptop, so this is the button where I come to. Okay, so this is actually where everything on my phone. All right, if I want to get anything from my phone, all right, I'm just, okay, let's open this Canva and try to get maybe an image from my phone. All right, so you can see it offers you a seamless method of transferring files from your phone to your laptop or from your laptop to your phone. So this is why I saved this the best, of course, for the last. Okay, it's open. All right, so let's assume that I want to download this thing. Okay, so you can see download. Okay, I can just tap on it and download it. Okay, I can tap on it and then it starts downloading. I hope it's okay. So it starts downloading. So this is it. You can see, where do I need to save it on my desktop? Okay, with this now I don't need my I guess I don't need my phone again, right? So with this now I can just tap and save it to, okay, let's just drop it at the desktop. Okay, so and then it moves to my desktop. All right, so let's get it now. I dropped it here. Where is it? Okay, this is it. Okay, this is the file. Okay, this is actually the file. Oh, I downloaded the wrong thing. Okay, so this is the file. All right, so it's now on my desktop. All right, it's now on my laptop. Now I don't need any longer to start connecting a USB to my laptop before transferring anything. Okay, over here is the upload. So if I want to send something, upload file from my laptop to my phone, this is the button where I click. Okay, so that's for the file transfer feature. So let's move over to the screen mirroring feature right now. Okay, so when you come over here, you see access phone camera from desktop. Now what this does is, if your phone does not have a what is it called, if your phone does not have a webcam, all right, with this actually you can get to what, connect your phone, all right, as the webcam of your laptop. Okay, so the next button is the screen mirroring button. All right, so this is the screen mirroring button I was talking about. Okay, so this is the, like, unlike the other one, you remember that in the car screen that we did in the second one, that everything on my laptop actually stopped working. All right, in fact my laptop became my smartphone. But this time around, your laptop doesn't need to become your smartphone. Okay, your laptop, okay, you can see the notifications from every other thing, and now my phone has started what is now being mirrored. Okay, I can simply tap on this button and keep whatever thing, and then keep this. I can minimize this. Okay, I can minimize this and keep this here. All right, so anything that I'm doing, the disadvantage in this one again is that I cannot operate the phone with the cursor, unlike the other one. But when I come over to my phone, all right, whatever thing that I'm doing right now, everything you're seeing on the screen is actually what I'm doing currently with my phone. Okay, it's actually what I'm doing currently with my phone. All right, so again, I can still use this as an option and project the screen of my laptop to the main screen, all right, to the main frame, and or to a larger screen, all right, and then just use my phone to teach. Okay, so this is how you can also decide to do what, to you can also decide to what, connect your both phones. Okay, sync your both phones. Now you saw something. This is just a feature, one of the features of this application called Airdroid. All right, so this is just one of it. Okay, so now if I go back, you can see the notifications. Okay, so you saw the notification that popped up. If I go to this screen right here, you can see two notifications. All right, over here is the call. If any call comes in, if I let me call the phone, all right, or if I call the phone, the network will disconnect. So if a call comes in, it comes in here. If a message comes in, it comes in. And then these are notifications from different places. Like these are notifications from WhatsApp. Okay, notifications from WhatsApp. Okay, so now coming to the blocked notification, all right, blocked app. Now if I want any application to stop sending me notification, all right, all I'm going to do is tap here and turn off. Okay, it says block all notification from this app. Okay, all right, there will be no notification again from that app, from WhatsApp henceforth. Okay, so for any message that comes into your phone or any notification that comes into your phone, I feel like I do not need to be getting notification from this application right now. All you need is open it over here. This is the button, or you can use this button over here. All right, just open it right there and do what, turn it off over here. All right, so over here is the right place where you get to see the messages on my phone. All the messages on my phone actually appears here. All right, all the messages on my phone. Then over here are the call history. Okay, this is where you get to see call history. I've not enabled it. All right, so this is where you get to see the call history appearing over here. And then down here is my contact list. Okay, down here is my contact list. So this is really an awesome application. All right, this is really an awesome application that you should get right now and start trying it out. Okay, you should get right now and start trying it out. Okay, so that is that. In case if you need further help, you can reach me on any of my social media handles on the description. You might want to watch more videos on my channel. My channel is always about smartphone productivity and profitability. So all of these videos right here are for you to watch. I bet you enjoyed this and you want to keep receiving videos from me. So hit the subscribe button right here and turn on notification so that you always be the first to know when I drop a fresh video. With this, see you on the next one. Bye.